Today, we're comparing two popular foldable treadmills, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 and the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons to help you decide which treadmill is the best fit for your indoor running needs. In terms of price, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 enters the market at a more budget-friendly price of $249, appealing to those who prioritize savings. On the other hand, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill is priced at $369, indicating a potentially higher value or more features. According to reviewers, if budget is your primary concern, the JURITS might be the more appealing option. When exploring features and technology, the JURITS boasts an easy-to-use remote control, compact size, and quiet operation, making it a hit among users who enjoy multitasking, such as walking while listening to audiobooks. Rhythm Fun, however, shines with its 5-layer non-slip belt, app connectivity for social sharing, and a wider running belt, providing a more comfortable and engaging workout experience. Reviewers appreciate Rhythm Fun for its advanced features, suggesting it offers a more immersive fitness journey. For convenience, both treadmills score high marks. The JURITS is praised for its pre-assembled delivery and ease of storage, capable of sliding under beds to save space. Similarly, Rhythm Fun is ready out of the box and folds up in 2 easy steps for quick storage. Users appreciate the minimal setup required for both, but JURITS slightly edges out with its ultra-compact design, making it ideal for those with limited space. Discussing motor and capacity, the JURITS supports up to 265 pounds quietly, making it a silent but strong workout partner. The Rhythm Fun, equipped with a 2.5 HP motor, supports up to 300 pounds and can reach speeds up to 6.7 miles per hour, catering to both walkers and runners. Reviewers highlight Rhythm Fun's power and versatility for users looking for a more intense workout. Overall, reviews for both treadmills are positive, with JURITS being praised for its affordability, compactness, and quiet operation, making it suitable for multitasking users. Rhythm Fun, on the other hand, is celebrated for its feature-rich design, power, and versatility, appealing to users seeking a more dynamic workout experience. So, which treadmill will you choose for your fitness journey? If you value affordability and space-saving design, the JURITS Walking Pad 2-in-1 might be your ideal choice. However, if you're looking for a treadmill with more features and power, the Rhythm Fun Foldable Treadmill could be the way to go. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Don't forget, product links are in the description. Happy running!